In the wild outbacks of northern Utah, a lonely river teems with life. These 1S LiPo batteries are abundantly found in this lush wonderland. Their populations are largely kept at bay by their only natural predator, the Emax hawks. This female from the species infans accipiter, or Babyhawk, has 2 young chicks in her nest. Spring is in full swing, and the chicks are having their morning frivolity. The mother knows that her chicks need to eat every 5 minutes or they will not survive. The mother's work is never done. Gliding on the updrafts near the waterfall, the mother watches for the slight movement of the 1S batteries. She will risk getting wet trying to capture them as they leap up from the waterfall. These attempts all failed. Though they will not offer as much sustenance, the mother will start hunting the river below the falls for the lesser cousin of the high-voltage batteries. Coming dangerously close to getting her frame wet, the mother is able to snatch up a few batteries. Content with her catch, she will start to make her way back to her nest. Although the babyhawks are more common in this area, there is one other indigenous species of Emax hawk that soar these skies. Accipiter pro, or the hawk pro, is an aggressive male hawk, a bully who feeds off of the hard work of the baby hawk. This young male is hungry and spots the mother. When she sees him, the chase begins. The mother has no choice but to try and avoid the male while trying to capture more batteries for her chicks. Not an easy task as the male picks off her stash as they fly. The mother will go to extreme lengths to get rid of the male, including ascending the dangerous waterfalls, only to lure the male into diving it. If either one of them gets wet, there can be dire consequences. The chase will continue for several minutes while the mother tries to shake her pursuer. She cannot lead him to her nest, so she will fly as far away as she can to hopefully exhaust him into leaving her alone. The babies at the nest are getting restless. If the mother does not return soon with the batteries, they may not make it. In a desperate attempt, the male makes an aggressive move, crashing into the mother and snatching some of her batteries. Finally, by feigning a crash, the female is able to lose her pursuer. Free of pursuit, the mother will quickly make her way back to the nest. Full and rested, the chicks are now free to go out and explore their home.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. What you saw were called FPV drones. If you guys are interested in learning how to fly one of these, like these pilots right here, head over to our course, www.fpvunlock.com, to find out more.